In a small village, nestled at the foot of a towering mountain, there lived a young boy named Max. Despite his tender age, Max possessed a spirit of courage that seemed to surpass his years. With bright eyes and a heart full of determination, he was always ready to embark on daring adventures. One day, a ferocious dragon named Draco descended upon the village, spreading fear and destruction. The villagers trembled in their homes, afraid to venture outside. But Max, fueled by his bravery, decided to face the fearsome creature head-on. Armed with only a wooden sword and a heart filled with hope, Max set out on his quest to save his village. He trekked through treacherous forests, crossed roaring rivers, and scaled steep cliffs until he reached the dragon's lair atop the mountain. As he stood before Draco, the mighty beast snarled, flames flickering in its eyes. But Max held his ground, undeterred by the intimidating presence. With a steady voice, he spoke to the dragon, appealing to its inner goodness. To Max's surprise, Draco revealed a sorrowful tale of loneliness and misunderstood intentions. The dragon's anger was merely a cry for companionship. Touched by the dragon's plight, Max extended a hand of friendship, offering his companionship and a promise to unite the village and the dragon in harmony. Together, Max and Draco ventured back to the village, where the villagers watched in awe and trepidation. But Max assured them that the dragon meant no harm and that they had nothing to fear. With his unwavering belief in the power of understanding, he urged the villagers to open their hearts and embrace their newfound friend. Gradually, fear gave way to trust as the villagers saw the gentler side of Draco. The once terrifying dragon became a symbol of protection and unity, guarding the village with fierce loyalty. Max's bravery and compassionate spirit had not only saved the village from destruction but had also forged a bond of friendship between humans and dragons. News of Max's triumph spread far and wide, reaching the ears of kings and queens from distant lands. They marveled at the young boy's bravery and invited him to their kingdoms, seeking his counsel and inspiration. Max became a celebrated hero, but he remained humble and grounded, always valuing kindness and understanding above all. As the years passed, Max continued to inspire others with his courageous deeds. His legacy of bravery and compassion lived on, reminding generations that even the smallest among us can make the biggest difference. And so, in the village where Max once lived, a statue was erected in his honor, a testament to the extraordinary courage of a brave little boy who showed the world the power of compassion, friendship, and the triumph of the human spirit.